Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 最 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 最 means most or the most. For example, 最大 最大 biggest. Largest. Here is a sentence. That store is the largest one in the city. That store is the largest one in the city.那个商店是这个城市最大的商店。那个商店 store 是这个城市最大的商店。那个商店是这个城市最大的。那个商店是这个城市最大的商店。That store is the largest one in the city. 那个商店是这个城市最大的。My casual handwriting on 最最 most the most 最大 biggest largest. That store is the largest one in the city. 那个商店是这个城市最大的商店。最 Please comment any sentence with the character 最. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.